to our presentation. This is our oxygen concentrator model. So basically this is the industrial indicators. Industrial indicator is used to display the amount of oxygen that is produced in our oxygen concentrator. This is the timer circuit. Timer circuit is used to switch the working of electronically controlled valves. These are the pressure gauges that is used to measure the pressure in the containers. This is the humidifier that humidifies the air before giving it to the patient, and this is the output nasal cannula that is given out to the patient. Okay, these are the on. So this is the right side view of our oxygen concentrator. So basically this is the air filter that filters out the dust particles. So as we can have a closer look of this is the air filter that is placed right before the compressor, before the air is sucked in. This is the compressor that is used to suck the air inside the oxygen concentrator. Also, this is the back view of our oxygen concentrator model. So basically, as we can see here, we have three tanks or containers. This is the first tank used to store the oxygen. These are empty tanks that is used to remove the water vapor from the air. That is the right side view of our oxygen concentrator model. So this is the cooling coil that is used to cool down the air that is sucked in from the atmosphere through the compressor before giving it to the containers. As the air is sucked in from the compressor, the air is heated up, and this cooling coil is used to cool down the air, and this is the fan that is used to cool down the cooling coil. This is the AC to DC converter that is used before giving the power supply to the oxygen concentrator. These two tanks are the zeolitic tanks where the zeolite granules are present, and it is used to purify the air, and the zeolite traps nitrogen particles in these tanks. This is a 5x2 direct acting valve. This valve is used to switch the cycles between zeolitic container 1 and 2. And these are the empty containers that we have discussed before, and these are the direct acting pressure valves that is used to pressurize the air into the containers, and these tanks take the moisture out of the air when it enters in these containers. So this is the oxygen sensor that we have used in our model to detect the amount of oxygen. So this is the connection of oxygen sensor, how it is connected. This is the amount of oxygen that is present in the atmosphere before purifying the air. This is the amount of oxygen that we are getting as output of our oxygen concentrator. So this is the amount of medical oxygen that is required by our patient.